last thing we will do is to print it off, so actually export it into PDF, and also add some information in our sheets. So if we go to site plan, you select the title block, and then we would like to fill this window with some information. So site plan, that's correct. Sheet number, that's correct. And then sheet issue date, we would like to type 2016, then 03, then 15. Okay, draw by this, type your name here. So I'll just type sample. So you just put your name here and surname. Then check by is fine. The rest is fine. Then apply. And then if we go to level 1, we can see that has to be, this has been changed. Okay, so make sure that you have those, your name and the checker done. Okay, so the next, what I would like to do is to create a draft view, which is here. If we go to view, drafting view, and then let's call this welcome window. Scale, and scale is fine, 1 to 10. And then I would like you to bring your image and create a frame as well. So if we go to annotate, detail line, that angle here, just creates shape, and then type it here, 10,000, enter. And then here type 10,000, enter. And then insert image, then find your image. If you don't have it, just find your like profile picture. I'll just use a sample, so portrait sample, and I place this image somewhere here. Then you can stretch it, or you can type here 10,000 by 10,000, and then let's see if we can line up. It's more for JPEGs, so just move around the frame. And what else? Background, yes, let's keep it. Then if the image is background, you will get the frame as the first. And also go to text, and here change this text for, let's say, 7, and type your name, type your semester, number 2, and type if you are from J or I, and also type P1 as a project 1, modify, place this somewhere here. If you don't have such a big picture, select the picture and type, let's say 4000 by 4000, then move it close to here, and also those lines, change it for smaller ones, so you get around the image, and that image should go close to the frame. So your picture, your name, and the last thing I would like to do is to go to view and then set up, is in manage, and then in manage set up starting view. So click here and then set up this welcome view, which is where ABCD, crafting view, welcome window. Okay, so when you open your project next time, you will get your image, your name, and your semester and which project it is. So welcome window, okay. Then we would like to print it off. So go to the big R, print, then print. The printer would like to use Adobe PDF. If you don't have it, find on internet any PDF printer. There are many for free. For example, Do PDF is one of them. I'll use Adobe PDF. Here, print range, select, then unselect views, and check all the sheets. So if they are not checked, check all. Make sure there are sheets, no views, just sheets, and OK. So this is done. The next, we need to set up the size, setup, name in session, that's fine. Then size A1, then paper placement, offset, no merging. That's very important. If you want to keep in scale, as A1 has to be no merging, and here zoom 100%. There are those very important settings to keep this in scale. Then we can change it for raster processing, landscape, it's fine, height or presentation, doesn't really matter, height is fine, colors, that's fine, and OK. Now, last thing we want to do is combine multiple selected views sheets into a single file. Make sure that you first of all set up print range and options, and then file. If you set up file and then you do some changes here, this will move back to create separate files. So once you've done those, make combine multiple, and then OK. Then Revit will ask you where to save your PDF. Save it somewhere that you can find it. I'll save it on my desktop. Make sure that your initials are here, and then save it. Save it somewhere here, and that will take some time. Once the process is done, you will get PDF file that you need to attach together with your Revit files as part of your assignment.